How to fix messages are missing sync now on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to fix messages are missing sync now on Messenger issue. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch Messenger app on your device. Make sure to download and install and update your Messenger app. Ensure that you already have logged into your account. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Select your icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, locate Privacy and Safety, tap on it. Scroll down under Security, select End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on Message Stories and make sure to turn on Message Stories so that it will help us fix messages are missing and sync on Messenger. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.